Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you in this e-learning class. I hope you solved exercise 2.7 successfully, right? If you are having any query, you can send it on our group, I will solve, or my personal group. Okay, today we will start exercise 2.8. Before this, I would like to say something. In this 2.8, simplify the following expressions. Question 1 is there. Simplify the following expressions. Right. Before this, here in this addition and subtraction together, right? So it is my duty to aware you about this. If the addition and subtraction came together or given together in an expression, then you will have to first add, then subtract. Okay. And if it will come in statement problem, then solve as it is. Whichever the first will come, suppose first subtraction will come, then solve subtraction. If addition will come, solve addition. Understand? So shall we start? Okay. Exercise 2.8. Simplify the following expressions. A, 1005 minus 775, 1005 minus 775 plus 358, 358. Now see here, it's very important now. Here 1500, focus here. 1500, there is no sign here, addition or subtraction in front of this first number 1500. No addition, no subtraction, nothing else. Means always remember, if the no sign is there, means always there is a addition sign. This term is addition sign. Understand? Be careful. Now here 775, this is minus 775, which is the sign of this 775, minus sign, minus 700, and 358, which sign is this? Plus sign. So this is plus 358. Don't forget, the sign of 358 is addition, plus 775, the sign of 775 is minus, and the sign of 1005 is no sign is there, means always addition sign. Understand? Keep in your mind. Right. Now you can solve first subtraction, then addition also, but according to Demas rule, I will teach you afterwards when we completed next chapter. Then I will teach you Demas rule, Bodmas rule, right? So first you will have to do addition. Now this is addition. This term is addition and this term is addition. Addition sign here. Here no sign means addition. You can add these two first. In rough, you will have to add. Draw one line with pencil in your notebook, right side, and solve that. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Draw the columns proper. Then write. Leave for carry koiri amba. Okay, 1005. 1005 5 plus 358. 358. Add 8 plus 5, 13. 3 carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 5, 6. Now any carry? Carry? Amba? No. So 3 as it is. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 ka 1. Understand? 1363. So instead of these two, next equal, do the equal sign here, write equal sign. Instead of these two, write 1363. What is remain now? This is minus 775. Okay. What we did first? We add this plus term first. What is the sum? Whichever the sum we wrote here, and then whichever the sum number remain, minus 775. So we wrote here minus 7. Now subtraction. Do subtraction. So 1363 minus 775. 775. Subtract. Is it possible? 3 minus 5? No. So borrow from 6. 6 become 5. This 3 become 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. 8. 8 plus 5. 13. Now 5 minus 7 possible? No. Borrow from 3 become 2. This 5 become 15. So 15 minus 7. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. Means again 7 plus 8 15. Now 2 minus 7 possible? No. Borrow from 1. 1 become, yes, 0. This 2 become 12. 12 minus 7. 5. And this 0 ka 0. What is the answer? 588. So what is the answer? 588. Understand how to solve? Okay. First what I did, addition जो साइन है मैंने उसको पहले एडिशन किया. ये नो साइन मीन्स एडिशन साइन है, तो ये और ये दोनों को मैंने ऐड किया. सम आई गॉट दिस सम. सो ये सम मैंने यहाँ लिखा और जो बचा हुआ है माइनस 775 आई रोट. Then again equal sign down, equal sign. I subtracted this. Then I wrote. This is the answer. Understand? Okay. Let's take another. B, same like this you can do. Then C. C also easy. Right? C. Okay. Now C. 16,155. 16,155 plus 7,245. 7,245 minus 777. 777. I hope you take out exercise 2.28, page number 36. Remaining you will have to solve. Okay, now see here, in this 16,155, no sign is there, means plus sign. Here already 7,245. This is which sign is there? Addition sign. And 775, which sign is this? Subtraction sign. Means minus 777. This is plus 7245. This is no sign, means plus sign. 16155. Now which is the plus terms or addition term? this one and this one. So add these two terms first. Write remaining term as it is. Add these two terms. How we are adding? Here again, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Again leave this line for carry. Okay, 16,155, right? 16,155 plus 7,245. 7,245. Add these two because addition sign. Add 5 plus 5 10 0, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, again 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, comma 6 plus 7, 6 to the 12 plus 1 13. So 6 plus 7 13, 3, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. So 23,400. This is the addition of these two numbers. Okay, this one and this one. So I will write here equal sign, addition 23,400. Now what is remain? Minus 777. Now subtract 777 from this. No sign again means addition sign, minus plus minus minus. You are in 4th standard, I will tell you in 5th standard what is that. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. Okay, so subtraction. So subtract 23,400 minus 777. Subtract 0 minus 7 possible. So borrow from neighbor. He also don't have. He went to his neighbor. उसके पास गया. 3 ने दिया. Okay. So 4 become 3. 0 become 9 and this 0 become 10. 10 minus 7 3. 7 minus 9 minus 7 2. 3 minus 7 possible? No. Borrow from neighbor. His neighbor is 3. 3 become 2. This 3 become 13. 13 minus 7 6. Put comma 2 as it is. 2 as it is. So what is the answer? Equal sign down, equal sign. Don't forget 22,623. Understand how to solve? First what I did, addition किया, उसके बाद minus subtraction किया. Okay, understand? If you want, you can take a screenshot also. Okay, now again I will solve next one. Remaining, I know now you are able to solve. I will solve second one. Okay, subtract. Now E, B, D, F you have to solve. Okay, I hope you will solve. Now question number 2. Now see what is question number 2. Subtract 7,581 from the sum of sum of what? 6898 and 28361 means 28,361. Now this is the word problem, so it is very important. You should read it carefully. Once you understand the problem, you are able to solve. So what is important? You should read carefully. Understand, underline the numbers. This one while reading. Now see, subtract 7581. क्या हमें सबट्रॅक्ट करना है? काय सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं आपल्याला? 7581. हा नंबर सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा है आपल्याला. फ्रॉम मीन्स किसमें से करना है ये नंबर सबट्रैक्ट? फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ मीन्स एडिशन. ये नंबर किसमें से सबट्रैक्ट करना है? कशामधून हे सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा? फ्रॉम द सम मीन्स एडिशन. किसकी एडिशन? ये नंबर की एडिशन और ये नंबर की एडिशन में से सबट्रॅक्ट करना है. या दोन नंबरची ॲडिशन करायची. जी ॲडिशन येईल त्याच्यामधून हा नंबर सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? ये दो नंबर की एडिशन करो. पहले जो नंबर आएगा, जो सम आएगी, उसमें से ये नंबर माइनस करना है. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट? यू शुड रीड केयरफुली. सी, सबट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम द, किस में से? सम ऑफ एडिशन. किसकी? ये नंबर और ये नंबर की. सो पहले हम दोनों की एडिशन करते हैं, राइट? उसके बाद ये नंबर सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सी, वेरी सिंपल. फर्स्ट सी, वंस प्लेस, टेंस प्लेस, 100 प्लेस, 1000 प्लेस, 10,000 प्लेस, lakhs प्लेस. ओके, up to lakh. Draw the columns with soft hand, with scale, right? Proper. Leave one line for carry. 6,898. 6,898 plus 28,361. 28,361. Now subtract, add, because sum of addition. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15. Carry 1. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 10, 11, 13. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 2. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15. 5. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. What is the answer? What is the addition? Sum of these two? 35,259. Now again, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Now what will I have to do? Next operation, subtraction. This is the sum of these two. We'll have to subtract this number. So write this first. Leave this carry query or borrow. 35,259. 35,259 minus 7,581. 7,581. Subtract 9 minus 1. Yes, 8. 5 minus 8 possible? No. Borrow from 2. 2 become 1. 5 become 15. 15 minus 8. 7. Then 1 minus 5. Not possible. Borrow from 5. 5 become 4. This one become 11. 11 minus 5. 6. 6 plus 5 11. Then 4 minus 7 possible? No. Borrow from 3. 3 become 2. This 4 become 14. 14 minus 7. 7. 7 to the 14. 2 का 2. What is the answer? So you can write, this is the answer, 27,678. Understand? It is very important. You should read question carefully. Understand? क्या क्या दिया है वो देखो, क्या करना है वो देखो, because these are the word problem. Very easy, but once you understand. Okay? In next video we will see the remaining part. Okay? Up to that, you'll have to solve question number 1 whole. Okay? Thank you.